How to make holes for manufacturing. For example, if we want to make a hole to suit screws of M10, what will be the diameter of through hole during manufacturing? And if we want to make a hole to suit screw of size M10 with helical insert, then what will be the diameter of through hole? First of all, make a through hole of diameter 10 millimeter. So go to hole wizard. Then this is the hole wizard tab. From type, you can see the from hole type. There are different types of hole types. This is counter bore. This is counter sunk, and this is simple hole. Select this type. Here are standard. There are different types of standard. You can see here. We will select ANSA metric standard. As from hole type, we are just making a drill hole, not a tap drill hole. There are different types. This is double hole, drill size, helical, tap drills. We are just making a drill size. And from the size, its size is 10 millimeter. And from end conditions, it is through all. After completing type tab, select click on the position tab and select the face here on which you want to place the holes. Select this face. So hole has been attached to your cursor. Just make a left click anywhere on screen where you want to place this hole, and from position and from dimensions define its position. It is 50 millimeter from this edge and 25 millimeter from this edge. Okay. So you can see we make a simple drill hole of dia 10 millimeter. Our next step is to make a hole to suit screw of size M10. Again go to hole wizard and from hole type select this type simple hole. Its standard is again metric, and from drill size just select tap drills. It means that we will make a hole to suit a screw of required size. Select the size of screw, that is M10 cross 1.5. 1.5 is its pitch, and again it is through all. So from position tab, select the face where you want to place the hole and make a left click, and from smart dimensions define its position. It is 20 millimeter from this hole, this edge, and 25 millimeter from this edge. Okay. So we make a two holes. It is a drill hole of diameter 10 millimeter, and this is the hole to suit screw of M size tap. So its dia is 8.5 millimeter. So 8.5 by executing 8.5 millimeter of diameter, we are able to make internal threads using tap on this hole. So always remember, if we making a screw hole, then its size will be less than its nominal diameter. For example, nominal diameter of M10 screw is 10 millimeter, but its diameter is 8.5 millimeter. So next we point is we see what happened if we want to make a helical insert hole. Again go to hole result and from type select helical tails and from position select face where you want to place the hole. Make left click to place hole on that surface. From dimensions define its position 20 millimeter from this edge, again 25 millimeter from this edge. So this is the hole to shoot helical tap. You can see the diameter is 10.5 millimeter. So if we want to make a hole using helical insert, then its dia will be 10.5 millimeter. That will be executed during manufacturing. So this is the main difference. If we want to make a simple hole, its diameter will be 10 millimeter, and if we want to make a hole to shoot screw of M10, its diameter will be 8.5 millimeter, and we want to make a hole to shoot helical insert, its diameter will be 10.5 millimeter. I hope you have picked this concept of making holes for manufacturing. Please make a practice of this lecture and see you in next lecture soon. Thank you. Take care.